Hi gang, time to go for a little ride. This is the new trailer, just picked it up, done a little bit of work inside it. Okay, we gotta have a little video of the dam in here and the bike, or we gotta have a little video of the damn bike. We made it to the Kinzua Dam. What do you think, gang? As you can see, they're running by the bypasses, them little square boxes. Those are the bypass. The ones in the middle, if they were open, the water would be flowing through there. Right below me is the power plant. It's just a beautiful day out here today. Had a nice ride down.